Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about punctuations. This is not a new word to you. We have been learning this word since childhood. When we started writing, we started the word with a capital letter, and after completing the sentence, we used to put a full stop. So let's see how many punctuation marks are there and how they are used while writing. So, dear all, there are 14 punctuation marks that are used in the English language. They are the period, that is called as full stop, question mark, exclamation point, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, hyphen, bracket, braces, parenthesis, apostrophe, quotation mark, ellipsis. So these are the sign of the punctuation mark. Now, first of all, we'll discuss about full stop. The full stop, that is a dot, is placed at the end of a declarative sentences, statements thought to be complete and after many abbreviation. After every short forms जो होते हैं उसके आगे पे भी हम लोग dot लगाते हैं. That is called as full stop. Let's see. As a sentence ender, Jane and Jack went to the market. The sentence is complete. After completing the sentence, we are putting a full stop there. After an abbreviation means कि अगर किसी का short form है Hassan, John, Jones, Junior का short form, we have put a dot just after Junior. Was born on December. The short form of December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R is D-E-C. So we have put a dot there. And after completing the sentence, we'll put a full stop. Now look here, these are the symbols, or you can say sign of the punctuation marks. Now the second important punctuation mark is question mark. Question mark. Whenever we are asking a question to somebody, we have to put a question mark when we are writing. Now use a question mark to indicate a direct question when placed at the end of a sentence. When did Jane leave for the market? When are you coming to school? What is your name? Etc. So we have to put a question mark after asking a question. This is a symbol for a question mark. Now next is exclamation mark. Look here, whenever we are happy, whenever we are sad, we have to use this type of a mark. It shows our expressions like hello, exclamation mark, how are you, question mark. Now here, hooray, we have won the match. We have to put an exclamation mark. The exclamation point is used when a person wants to express a sudden outcry or add emphasis within dialogue. Dialogue जब बोलते हैं, oh my God, we have to put an exclamation mark. And when we are giving emphasis on a certain thing. जब हम stress देते हैं किसी चीज पे, my class teacher gave me this work to do. It is very important. So emphasis is given to this sentence. That time also we have to put an exclamation mark. Now comma. Comma is used to divide the sentences. If the sentence is very big, to give a pause, we have to put a comma there. And while speaking also, while reading also, comma is very much important. We have to stop or give a small pause when comma is there. Now look here, the comma, semicolon and colon are often misused because they all can indicate a pause in a series. The comma is used to show a separation of idea or elements within the structure of a sentence. Additionally, it is used in numbers, dates. जहां पर भी salutation है, dates हैं, वहां पर हम comma लगाते हैं. Direct address. Thanks for all your help, John. और जब बहुत सारी चीजें एक जैसी होती हैं, उसके आगे भी हम comma लगाते हैं to segregate the things. We went to the movie, comma, and then we went out to lunch. Separating list. जैसे Susie wanted the black green and blue dress. Now next is apostrophe. This we have discussed in the class. If apostrophe is used to show the position. Now boy's pencil, the boy's pencil. If we will omit the apostrophe from here, then it will become a plural. But here the boy's pencil means ladke ka pencil. Katie's picture, Katie ki picture. It is showing the position. Okay, now apostrophe is also used for contraction, for the short forms like I am, I'm. Okay, she will, she'll. I would, I'd. So ye cannot, can't. So apostrophe is used when we are giving, we are writing the short forms. Now यहाँ पर नीचे जो आपको GIF दिख रहा है, dogs, मतलब dog का, dogs. Okay, when we are omitting the apostrophe, it is becoming plural. An apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of a letter or a letter form of word. ठीक है? और short form जब हम लिखते हैं, जब contraction में लिखते हैं, I've seen that movie several times. She wasn't the only one who knew the answer. And at the time of a possessive, Sarah's dog. Okay. Now the next one is quotation marks. Look at the expression of the man there in the picture. He is saying quotation marks. Quotation marks, whenever something is quoted, किसी का कुछ कहा हुआ sentences है, that we will write in a quotation mark. Like help me. Help me is written in a quotation mark. You were my favorite notification. It is also said by something. That's why it is written in a quotation mark. I'm not lazy. I'm an energy saving mode, on energy saving mode. It is not written in a quotation. We have to put a quotation mark here. ये डबल कोटेशन है, हम लोग इसको इन्वर्टेड कॉमास भी बोलते हैं, और इसमें एक सिंगल कोटेशन मार्क होता है. वो बड़े कोटेशन के अंदर पे अगर हम किसी स्मॉल चीज को कोट कर रहे होते हैं, दैट टाइम वी यूज अ स्मॉल कोटेशन मार्क. So I'm not going to read all these things. The simple thing is that if anyone has said something, that we have to write in a quotation mark. किसी के dialogues हैं, while writing the dialogues also you have to write down the quotation mark. Like don't go outside, she said. It is a, she said this, that's why we have written it in a quotation. Single quotation are used. जैसे मैंने बताया आपको कि बड़े कोई बहुत बड़ा पैराग्राफ है, कोटेशन है, किसी का कहा गया है और उसके बीच में कुछ और कुछ किसी से कुछ कहा है, then we will use the single quotation mark. Like Mary told the teacher, I saw Mark at the playground and he said to me. मैरी ने बताया, टीचर को बता रही है, उसके बीच में उसने दूसरे का डायलॉग बोला है, तो that will be written in a single quotation mark. Now ellipsis. Ellipsis, the sign of ellipsis is 3 dots. 3 dot जैसे होता है फुल स्टॉप फुल स्टॉप फुल स्टॉप, मतलब कि रुका है. जैसे हम लोग किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, हम लोग मैसेजेस करते हैं, वी राइट एंड वी पुट 3 dot, मीन्स it's understood. You have to put your own words there. Like here you can see the messages. Quotation के अंदर पे 3 dots है, तो वहां पर हम अपने शब्द भरेंगे. Hello, if somebody is writing something, then 3 dot, you can see the 3 dots in the answer also. This is called as a ellipsis. Now ellipsis और कहाँ use होता है? If there are proverbs, God help those who help ... You know the answer, that's why we have left the ... God help those who help themselves. So sometimes it is given the sign as 3 asterisks also. तो इसको हम लोग जब लिखते हैं, omission of words, she began to count, जैसे 1 2 3 4 ... till 100 या till 10. तो इसके लिए भी हम ... लगाते हैं, जैसे कि आगे उसमें आपने अपनी मर्जी से सोच लेना है कि इसमें आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है. If the quotation of somebody else, जैसे आपको रीडिंग पैराग्राफ देते हैं या बुक में से हम लोग उसको देते हैं, extract based questions देते हैं, that time also we put a ... कि यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक what will be the answer. So it means that you have to fill the blanks yourself. Now, next is, okay, now here we are learning about dash and the hyphen. Now you can see that dash is of two types. One is called N dash, another is M dash. Hyphen is a smaller one. You can see first one small is a hyphen, थोड़ा सा बड़ा minus, फिर है N dash, and M dash is the bigger one. Let's see. A dash is used to separate words, statements. There are two common types of dashes, N dash and M dash. N dash जो होता है वो बड़ा होता है hyphen से, और M dash और ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा N dash से. अब कहाँ यूज होते हैं, that I'm telling you. She gave him her answer. जब उसने बोला कि उसने उसका आंसर दिया, तब हम यूज करेंगे M dash, थोड़ा सा बड़ा डैश डालेंगे. और अगर हम ईयर लिख रहे हैं 1982, 1989, तो बीच में हम स्मॉल डैश डालेंगे, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज एन डैश. और हाइफन कब लगाते हैं हम, जैसे कंपाउंड वर्ड्स हैं, कंपाउंड वर्ड्स के बीच में भी हम हाइफन लगा के उसको सेग्रीगेट करते हैं, सेपरेट करते हैं. पार्ट टाइम, बीच में स्मॉल डैश लगाएंगे. बैक टू बैक, वेल नोन, आइसक्रीम, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इनके बीच में भी हम हाइफन लगाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द हाइफन. ना कोलन एंड सेमी कोलन, ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है, समझने में टाइम लगेगा, तब भी मैं इसको आपको थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ. कोलन मीन्स दो डॉट लगे होते हैं, और सेमी कोलन में एक डॉट और एक कॉमा होता है. ना कोलन में हम क्या करेंगे, सीरीज है. अगर हमने लिस्ट बना रखी है, वी यूज द कोलन टू इंट्रोड्यूस लिस्ट. कोई लिस्ट है, उसमें हम कोलन लगा के वी राइट माय फादर ब्रॉट, दो कोलन लगा के, नोटबुक, ये पेंसिल, इरेजर, ऐसे से एक्सेट्रा हम बोलते हैं. he was going to buy 3 things, colon, chair, table, utensil and all other things. और जब दो separate independent clause होते हैं, when they are not dependent on each other, that time also we separate the two independent clauses by using the colon. You will learn about clauses afterwards. और जैसे he was there for one person to give the emphasis on something, तो तब colon लगाएंगे हम. Time, whenever we are writing time, that time also we put a colon, दो dot लगाते हैं, that is called as colon. Now semicolon is also the same thing, but उसमें difference ये है कि एक dot और comma लगता है, और उसमें भी हम लिस्ट बनाते हैं, पर लिस्ट में सिंगल चीज नहीं होंगी, डबल डबल होंगी, 3 हो सकती हैं. जैसे देयर आर 8 मेंबर्स ऑन द टीम, 2 फ्रॉम चाइना एंड जापान, 2 इसमें कंट्रीज के नेम आ गए, फिर सेमीकोलन, फिर 3 कंट्रीज के नेम आ गए हैं. तो जब लिस्ट में बहुत सारे होते हैं और एक एक जगह पे 2 या 3 होते हैं ग्रुप में, दैट टाइम वी यूज द सेमीकोलन. ये हम 2 इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस को जोड़ने में लगाते हैं. जब उसमें कंजंक्शन नहीं होता है, दैट टाइम वी विल यूज द सेमीकोलन. Now my daughter is a teacher, my son is a doctor. तो ये दोनों ही इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. दैट इज द टोटली सेपरेट सेंटेंसेस, बट सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग. डॉटर टीचर है, सन जो है वो डॉक्टर है, तो इसलिए हमने उसको सेमीकोलन से अलग करके रखा हुआ है. होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कोलन एंड सेमीकोलन. नाउ अदर टाइप ऑफ punctuation marks are brackets, braces and parentheses. These type of punctuation we will discuss afterwards, because this comes in your maths also, and what are their uses, that we will learn afterwards. So I hope you people have understood the common punctuation marks which we have to learn and use while writing also, while speaking also, while reading the lessons, while reading the paragraphs, stories, your lessons. You have to give special attention towards your punctuation mark, कि कहाँ पर comma आया है, we have to give a small pause, full stop आया तो थोड़ा रुकेंगे, semicolon, exclamation mark, question mark, ये सारी चीजों का हमने बहुत ध्यान रखना है, because आपको punctuation mark एग्जाम में भी आते हैं, जहां पर आपको सिंपल सेंटेंसेस दे दिए जाते हैं, you have to punctuate it. Now, thank you very much.